Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50A Prime smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 apps that you can possibly get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would highly recommend on getting is called WTMP, that stands for Who Touched My Phone, and this app allows you to take the pictures from the selfie camera once your phone is being unblocked or somebody is trying to unblock your phone. Obviously, these pictures will be taken imperceptibly for the person who is trying to gain unauthorized access to your smartphone. So once launching this app for the first time, we'll be greeted with some of the instructions and some of the explanations on how this app works and how this app should be used. In order to activate it, just tap on this power button. The app will ask you to give it some of the permissions, so camera permissions and usage access. So look for this application at the permission menu, turn on this permit usage access switch, and now you can get back. And as you can see, since this power button turned green and we have this 2 white lines active, that means that our phone has successfully, this application has successfully been enabled. Let me show you how this app works real quick. So let's just block the phone, and for example, let's say somebody's trying to unblock it, they cannot do that, and they block it again. And then you unblock the phone yourself, open up this app, and as you can see, there are 2 entries, one of them being the device not unlocked in the photo from the selfie camera, and the second one is being the successful unlocked device unlock. And as we just saw, the report will be full once we block and unblock the device again. As you can see, the report is full. And there is some lock information as well on when this entry has been added. Alright, so that was it for the Who Touched My Phone application. We are moving on to the next one, that is called Caffeine. In prior of showing you what this app is capable of, let me open up the settings and showcase one interesting fact. So once you go to the display settings and choose the screen timeout feature, you'll see that the maximum value that we can set as for the screen timeout is 30 minutes. In order to set it to never, so your screen will not turn off automatically at all, it's basically the goal that this Caffeine app is designed for. So once you download and install this app, open it up, and here at the very first setting, timeout, make sure that the value that is set and selected is infinite. That basically will mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all. The third and the final app that I would like to show you in this video is called PixArt. It's a very well-known app for editing, retouching, and doing all kinds of stuff with your pictures or photos. Here, tap on skip, close, allow PixArt an access to our gallery. Unfortunately, we do not have any photos, so let me just take some screenshot real quick, just to have something in the gallery itself. Alright, so the screenshot has been successfully made. And as you can see, it has appeared at the photos section of our create menu. So we'll choose it, close the ad again. And here we have all kinds of tools that we can use in order to edit, retouch, and work with our picture. For example, there are some tools over here, all kinds of them, like crop, shape crop, dispersion, motion, enhance, adjust, resize, changing the perspective, or editing the curves, and etc. The tools and options that has this little gradient crown over them, on top of them, that means that these tools will be available only at the premium version of this application, but you can absolutely use the free version. It has more than enough functions to it. You can also apply some effects, all kinds of them, and each effect can be also adjusted separately. There are also some of the retouch functions, as you can see. So, as you already understood, this app has a vast list of available tools and features, so we highly recommend that you download it itself and explore. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you found this clip helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!